Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alan the Rambler here. As you can see, I am duded up. The helicopter I'm on has been reassigned to a different fire in Minnesota, so we're getting ready here to launch as soon as the Forest Service gives us the official release, and we'll be flying out there tentatively. We're going to beat all this weather. You can see all these clouds back here. Yeah, so I'll show you a little bit. Not perfect for flying. So our hope is, our intent is that we can get through all that and get out to somewhere in North Dakota tonight. And then we've got to do a little bit of follow-on maintenance on the helicopter from a project that happened a couple weeks ago. And we just got to wait till we fly enough hours before we can do the maintenance. So got about 4 hours worth of flight time, and that maintenance is going to be due. So I'll be knocking that out, and then we'll fly on to Minnesota from there, is the plan as it goes. So I'm going to try and get some decent footage as we go and show you some aerial shots and hopefully have a very exciting video. Hey guys, good morning. So here we are, day 2, trying to fix this helicopter. We basically stacked ladders and an aircraft tug up against the tail so I can get up high enough to get to it. So climb up there and start putting this thing back together. So just give you guys a quick peek of what I'm doing here. So this is a tail rotor servo. So basically this control rod pulls this lever in and out, which drives these servo pistons in and out, excuse me. And then coming through the middle of the shaft here, there is that silver thing you can see right there in the middle. Let's see if I can point to it right here. So that thing connects to these rods and it changes the pitch on the tail rotor blades to give us tail control. So what happened was, right back here behind this, where this sits inside that gearbox, there's a packing, an O-ring that goes in there, and it keeps the oil inside the gearbox. But I don't know if you can really tell up here. You can see all that shiny. It has started leaking, so it leaks down the tail. You can't really see in the camera, but this all, yeah, you can a little bit, has turned yellow from that oil sitting on it. So we are taking this out to replace that packing, and then we're going to put it back in. Alright, well, just a real quick update here with the wind and my crazy hair. I'm trying to use the helicopter to block most of it right now, so hopefully you can hear me over the wind and hopefully my hair's not too crazy. Tail's back together, everything's buttoned. We mounted the vibration analysis equipment so it tells how much the tail vibrates when it spins, and our vibrations are good to go. So took us 4 turns and we got the vibrations in, and now we are going to make a roughly 4.5 hour flight. So that includes 1 fuel stop. We'll fly from here, get some gas, probably in Fargo, and then we'll be headed on to Minnesota. So I'm gonna try and get some more aerial shots for you guys again, and my goal is when I get to Minnesota, probably be posting 2 videos, honestly. So I'll just post one and then give it like 2 days, and then I'll post this one that I'm making right now. So by the time you guys watch this, it'll probably be like Wednesday or Thursday. So aerial shots to follow, and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Finally arrived at the hotel. This is a really super cool place. You can get the fisheye here. Hang on. There we go. See a little bit better. So this is the Grande Lodge. Hang on. What room am I? 3. Yeah. All right. I'm going to. I just walk all over the hotel trying keys and doors. Not even the light fixtures. Take off the fisheye. There we go. Look like logs, and the carpet is bark, like tree bark. So that's pretty cool. It looks like there's seating area here, kind of. A camera and a pool through the safety glass. So, non-COVID-19, this hotel looks like we're pretty badass. I mean, it's pretty badass now. So, I'm just gonna head into my room, walk past it, drop all my stuff off, and then meet the crew downstairs for dinner. They've got a restaurant here in the hotel that looks like it's pretty decent, has a decent menu. So I am going to sign off for now, and like I said, hopefully tonight I'm going to get a video edited and uploaded and keep the saga going. So thanks again for joining me, guys. I'm sorry it's been pretty hectic, but we are getting some excitement going here, at least on my end. So please come and join me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, tell your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next journey.